take your seats on the dais, and I request Professor Garima Sehgal ma'am to kindly accompany them for the same.
ये लखनऊ की तहजीब है, ये जुनून है, जहाँ किंग जॉर्ज की विरासत अब कानून है। ये एक नहीं, ये सत्य है, तजुर्बों की कहानियाँ। यहाँ बनती हैं कल के चिकित्सा जगत की रवानियाँ। आप ज्ञान के इस आंगन में दीपक जलाएंगे, अब विज्ञान के सिद्धांत आप ही सुलझाएंगे। मुस्कुराइए, अब जीवन बदलने वाला है, सपनों का कारवां साकार होने वाला है। केजीएमयू की राहें पुकार रही हैं आपको, जहां हर कदम पर एक नया इतिहास बनने वाला है। A very warm and pleasant afternoon to all dignitaries, teachers and young enthusiastic newcomers, or should I say new Georgians. Today, I, Vanshika Rane, on behalf of entire KGMU family, extend my welcome to the induction ceremony of MBBS and BDS 2025 batch.
Namaste Sharanya, Ribhuvananya, Namaste Sharanya, Ribhuvananya, Surmuni Vandita Charana, Naras Madhura, Kavina Mudra, Naras Madhura, Kavina Mudra, Smita Chiruchira Bharana.
Namaskar. Dignitaries on the dais, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Sonia Nityanand ma'am, Pro Vice Chancellor Professor Abhijit Kaur ma'am, Dean Academics Professor Virendra Ratham sir, Dean Faculty of Dental Sciences Professor Bhushan Kumar sir is on leave, so we have Professor Pramila Verma with us, Chief Proctor Professor R.S. Kushwaha sir, dignitaries of the dais, Dean Nursing Professor Punita Manik ma'am, all the faculty members, delegates, parents and our dear students of newly admitted MBBS and BDS batch 2025. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you to King George's Medical University, one of the most prestigious and historic medical institution of India, established in 1905.
इस सभा में उपस्थित dignitaries on the dais, all the students who have just joined and all the proud parents. आज का दिन बहुत ही शुभ दिन है, इतना इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है कि सभी बच्चों के लिए एक यादगार दिन के रूप में शुरू हो रहा है। हम समझते हैं कि केजीएमयू भी लकी है कि हमें जो है सबसे टॉप क्वालिटी के जो बच्चे हैं, सबसे मेधावी छात्र हैं, most meritorious students we are having as you getting admission here. ऐसा इसलिए हो पाता है क्योंकि केजीएमयू एक वर्ल्ड रेप्यूट का संस्थान है, जिसमें हमारा जो टॉप रैंक स्टेटस है, इसलिए सभी बच्चे एक ड्रीम होता है कि यहाँ एडमिशन हो। तो आज के दिन मैं सभी जो नवागंतुक छात्र छात्राएँ हैं, उनके पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके फैमिली मेम्बर, सबको मैं हृदय से बधाई देता हूँ।
A very good afternoon to everyone. The dignitaries on the dais, Professor, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Sonia Nityanand ma'am, respected Pro Vice Chancellor Abhijit Kaur ma'am, Dean Academics, Professor Viren Atam, sir, Dean Proctoral Board, Dr. R.S. Kushwaha, and Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Rashmi Kushwaha, all our budding medicos and their proud parents. Good afternoon to everybody.
It is with immense joy and excitement I stand before you today to welcome our budding medicos to to our alma mater, which is a prestigious King George's Medical University, Lucknow.
It gives me a pleasure to address you on this special occasion of the induction of new batch of bright and promising students into the MBBS and BDS courses at King George's Medical University. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. You have achieved something remarkable. After a year of hard work, dedication, and many sleepless nights, you have earned this place and you made your families proud.
Good afternoon, Honorable Vice Chancellor, my colleagues on the dais and off the dais. Dear students and revered parents, I start with salutations to the parents first, because this journey of these beautiful children began with you. Your sacrifice, your sleepless nights, your toil, your accommodation. Today, their victory is a testament to what you have done. Heartiest congratulations to all of you.
All the students, please stand up. I hope you got this Maharishi Charak Sapath with you. I will read and you will repeat. Okay? मैं अपने अध्ययन काल में संयमी, सात्विक एवं अनुशासन जीवन व्यतीत करूंगा। गुरु के अधीन होकर पूर्ण समर्पित भाव से गुरु के कल्याण तथा प्रसन्नता हेतु
Thank you for that very kind introduction. So, the Pro VC, the Dean Academics, Dean Dental Sciences, Dean Student Welfare, the Chief Proctor, the Dean Nursing, all the esteemed faculty members of KGMU in this audience, and dear students and parents. I think before I start talking, I want to acknowledge two things. One, I would like to acknowledge the students who sang the Saraswati Vandana. It was very beautifully and melodiously sung. I think one of the best that I've heard. Both the music, the instrumental music and the vocal music. So this shows the talent among our students. The second, I would like to acknowledge the Dean Academics, Professor Viren Atam, for the oath that you all have taken and for the transformation as brought out by him. So a very warm welcome to all of you into this journey, I would say, in the world of medicine. Congratulations to all of you, and as has been brought out previously by the dignitaries on the dais, to the parents. And I know both the students and the parents must have waited for so many long years for this moment.
Before I commence with the white coat ceremony, I may now request all the students to kindly adore the white apron, the white coat, and button up yourself. Is not only about curing diseases, but about healing lives. The journey ahead will be demanding. You will face long nights of study, the rigor of wards and clinics, and the weights of expectations. But along with these challenges will come unforgettable moments. The thrill of learning your first anatomy lessons, the privilege of learning your first patients, and one day the joy of saving a life. Remember always, textbooks will always teach you medicine, but patience will teach you humanity. Behind every prescription is a person with fears and hopes.